Yeah, so this is the first job opening that we have, which is in Maharashtra police, right? So let me show you. Okay, so which is where it is, I guess. Yeah, here we go. Here's the job opening, right? So there are a couple of pages that I would like to share with you. So you can see like Maharashtra Cyber Cell are hiring for a couple of positions, right? So just check out this URL. Just drop a message. I'll just send a URL. There are a couple of openings for what they're looking for: cybersecurity analyst L1, L2, L3, technical assistant TAI, which is called technology assistant investigation, cybercrime investigator cert analyst C1, cert analyst C2 and C3, SOC analyst and cyber trainer, right? And there are a couple of salary bracket that they are providing. So you can uh, check out from this sort of documents. Okay, just let me know. I'll just drop a URL right from where you can apply. So meanwhile, I'm dropping this chat box. So if you want to ask something, you can ask later, right? This is the URL, right? Now let's get quickly to the resume that we have. Okay, so this was the first. Next opening is like cybersecurity analyst for housing finance company, which is, let me check. Yeah, so cybersecurity analyst for housing finance company in Mumbai, and it's required actually bachelor degree in cybersecurity, IT, computer science or related domain. Okay, or equivalent work experience is required. Experience is minimum 3 to 6 years of experience is required in cybersecurity IT. So this is not a freshers friendly. This is for the experienced folks. Okay, right. The previously that I've said, Maharashtra police, there might be some sort of for the freshers. So just check it out, and this is for the experience. Job responsibilities will be security monitoring, incident response, post incident review, threat intelligence, compliance governance, and there are a couple of mandatory skills that is required like firewall, IDS, IPS knowledge is important. Okay, and Splunk, QRadar, these things are compulsory actually. So just check it out accordingly. You can apply for this job. This is a mail ID sandeep.sethi@installx.com. Right now, next is Deloitte. Deloitte is hiring. You all knows about this specific company, right? So they are hiring for the roles security analyst, okay, consultant, assistant manager, internal audit, ANA, and they want minimum 1 to 3 years of experience in internal auditing, right? Qualification is CA intermediate, CIA, all those things, graduate MBA, relevant skills, right? It's a Mumbai based job, and this is a contractual job, which means for a specific time you need to work, and immediate joiners are actually preferable. This is the mail ID rdsilva@deloitte.com, right? Next is cybersecurity sales role. It's in Saudi Arabia, and regional sales manager RSM. Okay, and business development executive. This is for the cybersecurity role, right? And this is more into sales, and you might have to sell some sort of security solutions. And this is the mail ID talent@ambussolution.com. So guys, just keep eye on ambussolution.com website because they are hiring for a lot of positions. There might be some freshers for experience as well. So guys, the main point is Dubai is offering a very high package, right? So you can check out for that specific thing. Next one, please. Yeah, that's all for today.